What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about the top 5 coolest gadgets you could get for your car. Now, these are gadgets that I'm going to mention are gadgets that I feel like if you don't have them, your car's missing out. I don't know if you guys like me, but I actually name my car. And if you name your car, you know your car has feelings too. And what better yet to actually give your love and everything you want to your car. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, we're going to be mentioning the top 5 gadgets that are going to make your car happy and make your life a lot easier. So let's start off with number 1, and that is going to be the wireless car charger from CH Geek. This charger is actually pretty good. It's going to not only make your life a lot easier, but it's also going to make your phone happy because you're not going to be dropping your phone. It's going to stay in place. The cool thing about this charger, the reason why I like it is because it gives you 2 different sorts of options to actually mount this. You could actually mount this on your AC vent with an easy installment, or you could actually mount this on your dashboard. So wherever you guys want to put this, whether it be your dashboard, whether your AC vents, or even on your glass, you're going to be able to do that. Now, another really cool advantage about this charger, it comes with super fast charging. So that means if your phone is running very low on batteries, you're going to be able to put it on here and charge it very quickly. It also comes with a nice automatic mechanic that with the press of the button will open up its wings for you to place your phone, and it will automatically close those clips for you guys so your phone could be secure every single time. And if you want to go ahead and get your phone out of there without a problem, you press the button again and the clips will open up and you'll be able to grab your phone. You're going to be able to rotate this 360 degrees. So any position you want to put your phone, whether it be vertical or horizontal, you'll be able to do that, whether it's just to kind of get directions from Google, or if you just want to sit back and while you're waiting for someone, maybe watch a game, flip it, horizontal, and you guys should be good to go. Once again, guys, your car's going to love this gadget, and so is your phone. So why not pick up the wireless charger GC Geek right now if you don't have one already? Links are down below to all the items we're going to be talking about today. You could probably get this for a really low price if you click that link right now. For number 2, guys, we're going to be talking about the Nexar Beam GPS. Now, this is one of the gadgets that I feel like if there's a gadget you need to get this one. This is actually a very good product. It's one of those products that if your car doesn't have this, I don't know what you guys are thinking. It's like, basically think about this like the ring for your car. It's very simple to use. All you got to do is mount this camera. And once you mount this camera, you're going to mount this in front of your vehicle. What it's going to allow you to do, it's going to allow you to record every single moment while you're driving or while you're away from your car. It's going to let you not only do that, but it's also going to let you automatically command it with your voice so it can automatically record a clip. In addition to that, you're going to be able to edit right from your phone any clip you want. And I know what you guys are thinking. Is this being saved to the cloud? How am I actually saving all these clips? You're actually able to decide which clips go to the cloud, and you have that storage backed up for a long period of time. I'm telling you right now, guys, you definitely want this, whether it is that, you want to make sure your kids are safe, you want to know where they're at, you actually want to know if you get in a car accident, want to have proof of that accident, or if you just need to know what exactly is going on. The camera has a very wide range, so it's going to allow you to see almost the entire field of the actual action that's happening right in front of your car. And it's very easy to mount, which is really cool. The greatest thing about this is that if you don't have to worry about pulling out your phone and recording a scene, this is automatically recording the scene for you guys. And the thing, like I said earlier, the coolest thing I like this is the smart detection and the free cloud backup. I think by far this is one of the things that actually makes this one of the best dash cams out there. In addition to that, this is going to record in 1080p. So you're going to be having really good visuals on your video. Another really cool feature is that you're able to tap a button next to the cam that will create a detailed post collision report to save you time and money. So if you get in a car accident, just click that button and it'll record the clip for a very long time, allowing you to actually have that as a proof of who was at fault and who wasn't. In addition to that, it comes with a parking mode that the Nexar will sense if there's any slight movement while your vehicle is parked, and it will immediately record the event while you're getting parked, and it will send a notification to you guys or to you letting you know that there is movement of your cars. I'm telling you guys, this is the ring for your vehicle. So if you want to make sure not only that you're recording every instance, you want to make sure your vehicle is protected while it's parked, and you want to make sure you're protected while you're driving, you have to get the Nexar camera to have that peace of mind that not only you are safe, but also your vehicle. The next device is the RapidX X5. Now, this is a device that I think is definitely very, very required, especially if you have a group of friends that are joining you for a long road trip, or you have a lot of people that travel with you in the vehicle. Because one of the most annoying things that it happens when you're actually driving or in a car is sharing multiple chargers, right? You have multiple people with multiple mobile devices, and everybody wants to use the charger, but you only have one connection. What this is meant to do, it's meant to actually solve that, giving you 5 connections for your device and allowing you to supercharge these devices multiply. It comes with a smart technology that's able to identify how many devices are actually connected to it to determine how much power or juice it's actually going to consume. It's going to give you fast charging to not only you, but also to the people in the back seat, because the RapidX comes with a other addition to that once you connect it in your cigarette charger, you're going to be able to have a longer cable that you're able to send to the back of the passenger vehicle, so people in the back seats will also have that rapid charge. It comes with multiple colors, so you're able to choose anything to match your vehicle, and I think it's definitely one that should make your road trip a lot easier, a lot better, and make your passengers a lot happier. The next thing I want to recommend, guys, is the Multimedia Headrest. And this is by far one of the coolest things and one of the best upgrades you can get, especially if you have a lot of people in the backseat, or you have kids that you want to entertain, or you just have adults that just want to make sure they're watching something really fun and dynamic while you're taking a road trip. This is going to give your car a huge boost, not only if you ever decide to resell it, but a huge boost to whoever decides to hop on the car and join you for that ride. What this device allows you to do, it allows you to replace the headrest with a nice 9-inch touchscreen display that's going to allow you to transmit anything you want, as from DVD or USB device, a SSD card. Basically, any device that you could plug into the device itself will allow you to transmit any visual or multimedia options. What makes this cool is that this kit actually comes with 2 headrests, so you're able to buy it and get both of them at the same time. And it also gives you the option to put the same video on both of the headrests. So if you guys are watching a movie and everybody wants to watch it at the same time, both of those movies will be playing at the same instance. What also makes this really cool and dynamic is the fact that if you're getting out of your car and you don't want the displays to be showing because you're afraid someone might steal it, or you just don't want to draw the attention, you could easily zip these up and cover them, and it makes the headrest look exactly the same. This is also very good in case you want to connect any gaming console on here and actually play off the headrest, or if you want to do any wireless gaming, you're able to do that. It comes with a remote, so you can control it without having to get up or push the button, but if you do, it is a touchscreen, so it comes really cool and effective. Not only does it come with that, but it also comes with a pair of headphones, so if you want to make sure your kids are watching TV or your adults are watching TV, and they're not listening to your audio from your car, and they're just listening to whatever's coming out of the TV, it also already comes with 2 pair of headsets that you're able to connect easily. I think if you're looking for an upgrade for your vehicle, or if you want to look for a multimedia upgrade for your car, there's definitely a device you need to consider. Once again, guys, the link to all of these devices are in the description down below. The next one I want to recommend, guys, is the car start button replacement. This is actually pretty cool because it makes your start your engines button a lot cooler. You could either pick from multiple devices. You could pick from an Iron Man one, you can go with a Transformer one, or just a regular one with a nice finish. This actually gives it a very nice look to your car, especially for that start button. It makes your car look a lot cleaner, and you're able to choose from multiple colors. This is actually something that's going to make your vehicle look really cool and really fun, especially when you're about to start your engines. Like I said, you're able to pick multiple colors and designs, so make sure you guys check out the links down below. These actually sell pretty fast, so you guys want to make sure you guys pick this up as soon as you possibly can. And there you guys have it. Those are the top 5 coolest gadgets as of right now. We will be updating these videos constantly, or maybe every month or every 2 months. So you want to make sure you guys keep it locked on this channel so you guys won't miss the top coolest gadgets. If you guys are enjoying our tech coverage, make sure you guys drop a like, drop a comment, but most importantly, subscribe to the channel so you guys won't miss any of our videos. Definitely check out the other videos that are popping right now on the screen. Really cool, really informative, and definitely something you might want to watch. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.